Was it a terror attack or a revenge that has been planned to spread fear? As we have seen from past 2 to 3 days, the Hadapsar area was in high alert. Panic situation that was created at Usha Kiran Hospital now has finally solved. On May 10th, we have seen that the entire private hospital in the Hadapsar was reported as a high alert because of the bomb that has been disposed. According to the police, it was not a bomb that was used for the explosion. It was used for creating panic among the citizens as well as the doctors over there. Now, this incident has created a panic after a suspicious twist that has been come out from this case, founding that inside a hospital premises, mostly hospital premises are need to be in a very security place because many patients and many people are being seen in the hospital that could be related to the employees that they are working over there and hospital members as well as the citizens we have seen. But now police investigation has revealed that the accused is identified as Shivaji Rathod. He was staged the entire scare, like the entire master plan behind this was Shivaji Rathod. According to the investigators, Rathod was facing some financial problems. Because of that, like he wanted to create a panic and extort money from the hospital itself. He has totally planned this entire scene, and he was one of the mastermind for this case, where he had been learning how to connect the bomb through YouTube, taking from the online tutorials and the fake devices which was reported, including the digital timer that has been seen. According to a genital sticks that to make it look real, like genital sticks, that was the main thing that has making the bomb look real, and that has created the panic among the citizens as well as the entire hospital over that time. And using the CCTV footages, technical surveillance, and also the mobile traffic police, Rathod movements was finally seen, and he was being arrested from the Nagpur, while this entire process was seen by through the CCTV surveillance and the other escort team as well as and yesterday for this entire information, CP has been taken press conference regarding that Shivaji Rathod is one of the main person for this entire mastermind that has been created at Usha Kiran Hospital.
हडपसर के केस में एक आरोपी को पुलिस ने ताबे में लिया है। ये जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन परसों से चल रही थी, उसमें सीसीटीवीज की जो भी पड़ताल की गई और टेक्निकल जो भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन की गई, उससे एक्यूज्ड का नाम कल दोपहर को फाइनल सामने आया था। उसके घर की और उसके दुकान की सर्चेज ली गई थी, और उस सर्च के दरमियान जो इसमें डिजिटल वॉच जो इस डिवाइस में यूज हुआ था, उसका एम्प्टी केस कार्टन बॉक्स उसका हमें मिला था, जो उसने ऑनलाइन मंगाया था। आरोपी का नाम निष्पन्न होने के बाद अलग अलग टीम उसको सर्च कर रही थी। उसके फ्रेंड्स, उसके रिलेटिव्स, उसके जानने वाले सभी की इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुई, और फाइनली वो एक्यूज्ड भाग रहा था ट्रेन से। उसको नागपुर में एटीएस की टीम ने उसको डिटेन किया है। उसको पुणे में लाने के लिए जो आवश्यक प्रोसीजर्स है वो किए जा रहे हैं।
Where this bomb blast, it was not a bomb blast, it was a situation that has been created for a panic to extort the money because he was facing a financial issue. But this also raised a serious question: how can a person do he was learning how to keep a bomb over there with the help of the YouTube tutorials, and keeping a bomb in a hospital premise where we can see thousands and lakhs people are being seen in the hospital. That creates a panic situation along atmosphere that creates tension. We have to avoid these type of situations that could create a panic among the citizens as well as the residents of that area. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.